So what happens now? 2x square into x square, 2x raised to 4. Similarly over here, 8x cube, 4 into 2 and minus sign. So 1 into 2, 2x square. So change the signs, division. So it becomes minus 4x cube minus 54x square, and this 276x comes down. First with first, so we get minus 4x. So minus 4x cube plus 16x minus 4x. Try this yourself, it's a difficult one, huh? Okay, 4x cube gone from both in both. So what remains now? Minus 70x square plus 280x minus this 70 comes down now. Okay, again solve then. This divide first with first, it becomes minus 70. So minus 70x square over here, and here 7 for the 28 280x plus, and 70 into 1 70 minus 70. Change the signs, you get 0, here 0, here 0. So it's correct, everything is 0. So what remains now? H equals to this quotient. Quotient is 2x square minus 4x plus 70. Okay, so you can take 2 common and write it, x square minus 2x minus 35, depending on the what is given in the exam. Important is this division. Try it yourself. Okay, download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis, and you'll learn them within 3 months. Remember, these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.